All right, guys, we got another special one. 1971 Buick Riviera, also known as the Boat Tail Riviera. There was only made 3 model years, 71, 72, and 73. She has the big block 455 backed by a 3-speed automatic. She's absolutely beautiful. She rides absolutely amazing. And the 71 model is the rarest because it came with GM's flow-through ventilation system, which are those louvers right there. And after the 71 model year, they stopped putting them on because it actually made exhaust gas go back into the cabin. So you only seen these on 71 GM vehicles. And the 72 and 73 models, they had shorter bow tails because of the bumper regulations that was implemented. But most collectors have one of these in their collection. They're absolutely beautiful, guys. Paint is in excellent condition. You'll just see a few minor blemishes that you can barely see from 2 feet away. She has new wheels on her. And the Riviera was actually supposed to be made on the smaller A-body platform, but was switched to the larger B-body platform like the Eldorado and Toronados. As y'all can see, the paint is in excellent condition. Driver's side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. As y'all can see, the jambs in the doors are very solid. Has no opportunity. Deck lid is in excellent shape. Interior is absolutely beautiful. She has power windows, power locks, bucket seats, console. You never see these guys. She's got an aftermarket set of gauges, water, oil, and volts. Lower dash has 2 spots right there, guys. Upper dash is in excellent condition. She reads a little under 85,000, guys. Back seats are in excellent condition. Package tray nice and clean. Headliner good. And there she is, the 455 cubic inch 7.5 liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic. She rated at 250 horsepower and 375 foot-pounds of torque. She got power brakes, power steering, AC. And this was right when the malaise era started, so it's kind of choked down from the early model years. And the malaise era refers to the early 70s to late to mid 80s when cars was choked down with emissions and had low horsepower. But she's absolutely beautiful. Let's start her up. Fire right up. Now what you call running like a sewing machine, guys. All right, guys, so what do you think? I absolutely enjoyed doing this review. She's absolutely beautiful. All the contact information in the description below. Financing available. I'm gonna tell you like this, guys, if I had it, it'd already be sold before I posted it. She's that nice. She's absolutely beautiful, guys. Don't miss out. Y'all have a good one.